Today, let's begin with a new chapter more about Scratch Junior. First, let's start learning about the objectives. Identify Scratch Junior window parts. Add speech bubbles to characters. Make two characters talk. Create stories in Scratch Junior. In the previous class, you learned the basics of Scratch Junior, like moving characters, adding new ones, and changing the background. Now, you will learn more fun and exciting things that you can do with Scratch Junior. Components of Scratch Junior window. When you open Scratch Junior, you will see different parts of the window. Point 1. Stage. This is where your characters perform actions. Point 2. Blocks palette. This is where you find all the blocks to make your characters move, jump or talk. Point 3. Programming area. This is where you connect the blocks to tell your characters what to do. Point 4. Character area. At the left, you can add characters like cat, dog, rocket, etc. Point 5. Green flag. At the top, you can click this to start your story or game. Making characters speak. You can make characters speak using the Say block. This block allows you to add speech bubbles to the characters so that they can say anything you want. To make characters speak, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the character to select it. Step 2. In the blocks palette, click on the yellow block. Step 3. Drag the green flag block into the programming area. Step 4. In the blocks palette, click on the purple block. Step 5. Drag the speech bubble block into the programming area and attach it to the green flag block. Step 6. Click on the text inside the block and type what you want the character to say. Step 7. Press the green flag at the top of the stage and watch the character speak. Two characters talking to each other. To make characters talk, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the background icon at the top of the stage. The background library will appear. Step 2. Choose a background that fits your project. Step 3. At the top right corner, click on the tick mark icon. Step 4. The background will appear on the stage behind the character. Step 5. Click on the plus sign in the character area. The character library will appear. Step 6. Choose a character like a fairy. At the top right corner, click on the tick mark icon. Step 7. The new character will appear on the stage. Step 8. Select the first character. In the blocks palette, click on the yellow block. Drag the green flag block to the programming area. Click on the purple block. Drag the speech bubble into the programming area. Click on the text inside the block and type what you want the character to say. Example, hello. After the first character speaks, you want to give time for the second character to reply. Step 9. Select the second character, fairy. In the blocks palette, click on the yellow block. Drag the green flag block to the programming area. Click on the orange block. Drag the wait block after the green flag block. Set a time, 5 seconds, to allow time for the second character to respond. Click on the purple block. Drag the speech bubble block into the programming area. Type the response in the text box. Example, hi, how are you? Step 10. Click on the green flag. Now, let's get back to the chapter summary. Scratch Junior window has a stage and blocks palette. The stage is where characters perform actions. The purple blocks help make characters talk. Two characters can talk to each other in a story. A green flag starts the action on the stage. Adding backgrounds enhances the project's look.